A lot of people are familiar with Google Drive and have their own Gmail account, but did you know as an Ivy Tech faculty member you have a Gmail account with some extra perks? Your Ivy Tech Gmail account gives you unlimited data storage and lets you share content to just people within the Ivy Tech system. First, let's look at how to log into your Ivy Tech Gmail. There are a few ways you can access your account. First, log into My Ivy. You will use your Ivy Tech login to access your drive. Once you are logged in, select the link to Google Drive. It takes you directly to your drive. Here you can work with documents, sheets, slides, or other tools to share and collaborate with others. We will look at the basics of Google Drive. Once logged in, you can click on the plus sign to add folders and more. Let's add a folder by clicking on Folder. Name your folder, create it, and click on it to open it. Now you can add content to your folder by clicking on the plus sign, or you can drag and drop content to your Google Drive. Let's create a Google Doc. Click on the plus sign and select Google Doc. The tools you are familiar with from Microsoft, like Word and Excel, are similar to those in Google Drive. Your new document will open in a new window. You can always switch tabs to access your drive. You can click on the title to rename the document, and just like a Word document, you can start creating your content. What makes Google Drive powerful is that you can share your content or dynamically collaborate with your peers. You can share whole folders or individual items. In your documents, you can click on Share. This opens the share settings. If you only share with a few people, you can enter their email address. By default, it is associated only to Ivy Tech students, faculty, and staff. If you need to share out content to a large group or a whole class, it's best to create a shareable link. Click on Shareable Link, click Copy, and now you can paste that link anywhere, like Ivy Learn. By default, only individuals logged into their Ivy Tech Gmail account can access the link. It is also set to View Only. This means that those with the link can only view the content. They cannot edit the content. So depending on your needs, you will need to choose what works best for you. If I am sharing content to students, I will only want them to view it. If I am sharing to colleagues for collaboration, I would want them to have editing rights. If you want someone outside of Ivy Tech to access or edit your content, you can change the share settings. Click on Advanced Settings, then Change. This opens more sharing options. Click on Anyone with Link, No Sign-in Required. This will allow any user you send the link to have access to your content, regardless of whether they have an Ivy Tech account or not. Click Save to change your share settings. Let's go back to our new folder. Remember, you can also drag and drop content to your Google Drive. Let's drag and drop a Word document into Google Drive. You can see the icon is different. You can easily convert this to a Google Doc so you can edit in Drive. Double-click on the document. This opens a preview that you cannot edit. To edit, click on Open with Google Docs. This opens a new tab of a Google Doc you can now edit. Let's go back to our Google Drive. You can upload just about anything to your drive, like videos or pictures. Again, all content is shareable. Simply right-click on the content or folder to share with people or get a shareable link. Thanks for watching. This was a quick introduction to the basic use of Google Drive.